back to another episode of the M&D Show. Today in this video, I'll be doing a quick review on a Lego City high-speed bullet train. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, it is a bullet train, and yeah. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on the train, and also I'll be testing on the tracks.
Nope.
Not really testing, but I'll be showing you how good the tracks are, and some of the details. Anyway, yeah, let's get started. So, first I'll start off with the tracks. The reason why I separated these two tables here is to test out how strong the track. As you can see here, the train goes over, the tracks handle no problem. That's good. So yeah, but I don't think if you move the table further apart, I don't think eventually I don't think it will not hold it.
Here we go.
But anyway, yeah. Without the tracks bending or anything, you could go out like this width anywhere. So yeah. And now this train is not manual. It's battery powered. It's remote controlled. It comes with a remote. So let me teach you that now. So what I find quite smart is here on this train, it's like the main compartment, because you have like the battery box and the motor right here and everything. So here's the power switch. I find it's really smart for Lego to put it here, and when you turn it on, the battery box turns on a light here. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, might not be able to see, but anyway, yeah. Oops. Okay, yeah, so let's get started with the power functions. So, power functions. Basically, of course, like I said, you turn this on. Wait, is it on? Yeah. Check that green light to know if it's on, but anyway, yeah, I just showed you. And, yeah, so then you can actually move it. But what I find is it does make quite a lot of noise. So basically what you do is you turn this and it moves. And if you move it more, it moves faster. And then this button that I keep on pressing here, see, look. Then this is emergency stop. It stops. Again.
Invincible.
So yeah. Let me try my best. Let me see if I can get the train on the fastest as possible on this short track. Yeah, that's basically as fast as we can go. And yeah, now just letting you know, this is not the actual track. I just tried to make the track fit on this table so I can do this review. But anyway, yeah. Next is I want to test out the station. I like how they did the landscaping here with the lights and everything. It's very detailed. And also they added a small bike too. And yeah. Anyway, the remote, let me turn this on. Off. Okay, so I got this small car from a small truck or something from another Lego City set. Sadly, we won't be doing a review on that, but anyway, yeah. So you see, this thing here really works. As you can see, it drives on smoothly and nothing ever happens. And same with the bike. If you take this guy here, put him on the bike. Now the problem with Lego is with with details like this, it's really hard to use them. Anyway, yeah. So this guy okay, so he's on the bike. It also works too. It doesn't fall. Well, the thing is, you have to stand here and it gets in the way. The thing I like about it is you can, no matter where you put the bike, it always stands up. See, like that. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the bike. Here, let me put this guy back where he was. Then yeah. Anyway, that's the car, that's the train. And also I tell you the power functions, and so basically I'll show you how the cabin works. Basically, so this train is useless. Well, not useless, but this train is the main power source that's pulling the whole train set along. Or pushing if you're going backwards. Anyway, so yeah. There's nothing much inside here. So just leave that aside on the track. But these two have like actual details inside. That's why they put less grips on the ceiling, so you can easily take the roof off. It comes off pretty easily. And then here, let's take this off. In here, you will actually find quite a simple but like very detailed interior. As you can see, there's like 2 seats, almost like a restaurant. There's like 4 seats and 2 tables. Anyway, yeah. Also, some special parts is the windows. You might think this is one big window, but actually each window is actually separate. So it took 16 windows, small windows, to build this whole cabin, basically. So that's this one. So this is like the caboose, and yeah. Anyway, and then this is like the middle part. Wait, let me just put this back. This is like the cabin thing in the center. And of course, you can also easily take the roof off here. Let's see. Comes off right in one piece. But yeah, you can take the roof off easily. As you can see here, there's only 4 grips. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. And also in here, you get 2 two tables and 4 chairs. Yeah, simple but like detailed. I don't know if this bike will fit here. Oh cool, this bike fits here too. But yeah, you can also put people in here, like this guy. That also works too. You can put the guy in there, like that. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. Those are the cabins, and these are the power functions. Anyway, also one special part is this Lego City map. I'm really impressed because with this, not only with the sticker that it's transparent, but also with this transparent piece here. see they put a sticker, like a very realistic map. I don't know if it shows on the camera, but yeah. And on this glass, not glass, but like transparent plastic piece, kind of impressive.
Here we go.
And then yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's the review on the Lego City high-speed bullet train. And yeah, see you guys in the next M&D show video. Anyway, bye. Please subscribe.
Subscribe. 1, 2.